All right, so here we are with the second unboxing of the second piece that came with the package today. So let's see what it is. It is another Squale. Originally when I was looking for Squales, I wanted the 1521, and I just, I never quite pulled the trigger on it, so I ended up getting the 1545s and fell in love with those. But I finally got one, and what I love about it is that, you see all the videos of the Squale diver, and it's always, typically the blue dial one or the black dial or the PVD. I've not really seen any videos of this one, and couldn't wait to check it out. It included the mesh bracelet, which was something that I really wanted to be able to get with it, so I'm glad that was part of the deal. I'll definitely be putting the watch on that. And there it is. It's actually the white dial with a black and white bezel. And it looks completely unused. I mean, it looks brand spanking new. There it goes. Typically, I didn't think I'd like cases that are signed on the side, but I actually really like it on here. And I love the overall case design. And I love the polished finish on the inside of the dial and the space between the sapphire crystal and the white dial. Let's get this on the wrist. I will be wearing it on the mesh bracelet mostly. This one I believe is 42 millimeters. Or it might be 43 millimeters, I have to look it up, but definitely bigger than the 1545. What else we got in the case here? We've got some extra links for the mesh bracelet, which I'm sure I won't need. I have a 6.5-inch wrist, so warranty card. And that is a look at the second watch that I picked up. What is now my third Squale, which I gotta tell you, I would not have predicted, but originally I was looking at the black dial one, but I've got several other black dial watches, so I wanted to get something a little bit different. And I can't wait to put this on the mesh bracelet and see what it looks like. But that's it. So that's what I've got. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys get anything new, send me those pictures. Alright guys, CG out.